Guess what we're looking at? Brand new MG SUV. They're gonna have the windows tinted for us. Red and bam. Panoramic sunroof, infotainment system, leather seats. Go big or go home. Does the ribbon come with the car? All right, so we are going to the back. Oh, look at. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Got the windows all tinted and everything now. Real pretty. All right, let me put this in the back. Put that in the trunk later.
This is your case and your other case.
Right. Okay.
Okay. It just you have the ones of electric adjustment. Yeah, this one.
You fit perfectly.
Or okay.
Yeah, I went back already. And then does it go like down?
Full tank siya or nasa gas?
Kasi yung gas mo, hindi siya full tank, no? 15 liters ang
All right.
So you just press the brake sir and start.
Fancy. Oh, I love the dashboard. Gotta love digital, man.
Since you already drive any type of car, so you are not new about.
No, no. The controls might be a little new, but park, neutral drive,
it's okay.
gas, brake, turn signal, that's all okay.
This for the car. The home, sir.
Okay.
Nabado ko nung katong kalo sa MG ko ya.
Nakamikalo mo, baligyo nila mo mo.
Ang
Baligyo. Oo, mabri. Baligyo nila ang kalo mo.
And then for the CarPlay, you just plug in the phone to one of those
cord,
there.
sir.
Okay.
For CarPlay and Android Auto.
All right.
And the sunroof. Here.
Okay. So there's two of them for the sunroof?
Yeah. This one is for the glass.
Oh, that's the glass. Got you. Oh, believe it or not, I like it with the glass closed. Yeah. I like it with the glass closed.
Yeah.
All right, so we are taking our first drive in the new car. You want it open?
yeah. Tanaw guys, look at that.
Ooh, he almost hit the people.
It's so cool.
Yeah, we got to work the AC. It is cold, even for me. Oh, look it. I stopped the car. Look what happened. It went to the camera. For we could see what's going on. Look, someone's behind us. Yeah, freaking motorcycle. We got cameras all around us.
And this one is the...
That's us.
yeah, and this one, the white one.
The white one is us.
This this one like the
Oh, the lines?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's just to show that we're like going straight.
Uh-huh.
But I could barely see this bike. It's so like blurry.
Mm-hmm.
But it looks like he went from behind us this way or something. But that's cool. It automatically switched. Look.
That's nice.
Oh, that's so weird. So you can see the side.
Mm-hmm.
That is so cool. It's gonna take getting some used to. And then we got the open open sunroof there. Then he just goes that way. Oh, this is interesting. Look at the numbers. They're not moving. It's just sitting at a 199. That's weird. Huh. I don't see any cops or anyone around. Why is it stuck on 199? Oh, now it's moving. There we go. I was like, is the light broken? Alright, so we're still driving, but I wanted to record this because this is very challenging. I don't know if this is like a smaller town. It is a smaller road for sure. And yeah, trying to maneuver. You got cars, you got bikes, you got pedestrians. It's not that big of a road. It's very dark. And again, everyone will just jump out in front of you. And, you know, not even slow down, not even yield the right of way to anyone. So you gotta be very careful. And it is late. It's almost 6:30 p.m. I mean,